we want to find out a solution by separating variables. What this means is that we want to end up with a solution that is y equals something or other. So the first thing that we need to do is put all the x or dx terms on one side and the y and dy terms on one side. So in this situation, quite simple, we just have this naughty dx here. We want to move it to the other side. So let's move. You're going to get y dy equals a half cos x dx. We're now ready to integrate. You integrate each side individually. So let's first do the y dy, and then you'll do half cos x dx. This integrated is y squared a half, and this would be a half sine x dx. A nice way to remember whenever you want to differentiate or integrate a trigonometric function, particularly sine x or cos x, is that you differentiate to go down. So if you have cos x, it becomes minus sine x. If it's minus cos x and you need to differentiate it, it goes right back to the top, so it becomes sine x. It just keeps going down. If you need to integrate, you go the other way. You go up. So cos x is here, so you're integrating it, so it goes up 1, so it goes to sine x. If there's a cos 2x, you'd just be using the chain rule. I've got videos on that, but if you're doing stuff like this, you probably are very familiar. And then that dx shouldn't be there, so it actually should be plus c. Now, we've been given that y0 equals 1, which is the same as 0 and 1. When x was 0, y equals 1. So let's plug it in. You're going to get a half 1 squared equals a half sine 0 plus c. If you don't have a calculator, you should be able to figure this out for sine. When sine is at 0, it is 0, so that vanishes, and therefore we have c equals a half. Now, if we know that c equals a half, we can plug that into this. So you're going to get half y squared equals a half sine x plus a half. But if we divide everything by a half, we can just get rid of the halves. So you're going to get y squared equals sine x plus 1. Because that c's gone there, and then we've divided everything by a half. But we're still not left in terms with y equals, so let's just square root both sides. So you're going to get y equals the square root of 1 plus sine x. And now we've done it.